Hello everyone, Bradman1981 here. This is going to be probably a fairly long video. Forgive me, I'm still out of breath. Not a happy camper. Nothing to do with Tar Heel Ants, which is the unboxing video we'll be doing. Is another order from Tar Heel Ants. The USPS decided to drop the package off in my lockers, and even though I give them explicit instructions when I'm home, when not to do that, when to do that, they don't care. They just do it. They'll leave a package in my front door. I tell them to put it in the locker. I tell them to leave it in my front door. They put it in the locker. I have a bad back, so that's part of the reason why I'm overweight. But anyway, despite all that, I am excited. This order, I'd have to ask Mac, but man, this is an order I've had quite a while. And it's not even a complete order. I still have another ant colony that Mac is waiting for the permit for. It's kind of strange because the ant I'm getting is like where I live, like the name is in its scientific name, but so it's like obvious it's local to me. But anyway, it is what it is. Government regulations. But yeah, so forgive my appearance. It is, I mean, it's not too early. It's about getting close to 10:30 a.m. But through my previous job, I just keep later hours. So I've only gotten like maybe 3 hours, 4 hours of sleep. I don't know, maybe a little more than that, but not much. So I go on camera, look like a complete schlep for all your enjoyment. Another quick thing, the stuff on my sides, they're going away this weekend finally. I finally had enough. I want space. Because despite what you may see, I'm actually far more organized than anyone could ever realize from what they see in my videos. I'm a very structured individual, and I hate it. Finally, I'll rent a van. I have a few friends because of my back. They're coming over. We're going to repackage a few things, but mainly these figure boxes over here. We're just going to throw them in a U-Haul van, put it in my family storage unit, and I can have some living space. Alright, well, as you can see, this is a big box. Lift it up. As you can see, this is a big and heavy box. So, in this box, how many formicarium should I have in here? Layer, Exile, Mini Earth, at least 3. Lost track. At least 3. Yeah, like I said, I've had this order for a while. It's not because it's not Mac's fault, and nothing to do with him. It's just purely me. I had a lot of stuff going on the last couple months with my work and all that, so I just been prioritized. And the way I always joked around when Mac was like, "Oh, I feel bad you haven't gotten your stuff," and I'm like, "Why?" As far as I'm concerned, my aunts, you know, they're at a hotel right now. You're fronting the bill. So anyway, we got the usual permits and all that. The paperwork comes with orders when we have actual ants and not just formicarium or other product, ant-keeping product. Already got a trash bag set aside here. Let's see, these would be the seeds. I needed a lot of seeds, although I'm going to have to convince Mac to tell me where he gets his seeds, instead of just, this is a little tedious getting it directly from him. Although it is reassuring knowing the stuff I'm getting from it is quality. God. Yeah, that's big stuff. See if I can see if the garbage bag is. Nah, it's not quite wide enough. No, that's great. So boxing video's going really well. stupid USPS. I find the schmuck that didn't deliver this to my door. Swear to God. Be careful what you say. You don't want to violate YouTube policy. Infamous and yet strangely appreciated Tar Heel Ants packing. Got some seeds, some more syringe for the water towers inside the nests. It's like Mac threw in a feeder dish. I don't know, some plugs. I don't know. Stuff I probably don't even need that so much, but still appreciate it. Watch I complain I have too much stuff, and then, you know, all of a sudden, oh, thank God you sent me extra stuff because I needed it. So, better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Alright. There's the, I believe, the two ant colonies. One is a Pogo Myrmix. Right, yeah. It's the Pogo Myrmix Regussus. I asked Mac to send me his most dual colored, I guess you can say, because the Regussus can come in like a kind of all dark, like black color, or they can come in like a black and like a reddish or like an auburn type color. So I asked him for the best one he had that had the different colors. So we'll see how that goes. And then the other one is Myrmecostis, I believe, Mimicus. Yeah. And that one is actually a 2-queen colony. Although I don't expect both queens to live peacefully forever. But Mac was fortunate to get I don't know if it was just the one or if he got like a couple of them, but he was able to get a few dual queens for the Mimicus. And I was like, yeah, why not get that? It was a little more expensive, but a little more higher probability of success, I suppose you could say. Ugh. I'm trying to see if I can, there's smaller ones I can take out, but it looks like one of the heat packs still warm. That's good. I know you guys can't see, but it does have a styrofoam. It is styrofoam insulated. It's not too. The temperature is pretty mild where I'm at right now, but other places it's not. So this video is going to be so long. It's okay. You can fast forward. You can take it personal. Stand up here. Hopefully you're catching a good volume. I got my boom mic over on my front desk in front of me, but it is a little far away, so alright, looks like Mac taped the two. He uses like plastic PVC pipes to put the ant colonies in, because the ant colonies come in test tubes, so typically that's how at least that's the way Mac's always done it when I've ordered stuff. I've seen some pretty creative ways that people have shipped animals. Not just ants, but just animals in general. Alright. So no ants crawling around inside there. That's always a good sign. So I'm assuming these are the ants. Let me put these on my desk here. Put my knife there so I don't cut myself. Oh boy. Alright. This is the Outworld. Holy mackerel. Trying to see if this is separate pieces. If I can. I should just give up on trying to prevent the foam. Because this is probably the layer. Okay. Okay. This is going to be messy, but Mac looks like, because I remember I have a number of formicarium. Instead of putting them kind of individually, kind of tape them all together. So I'm going to place the box on the ground and lift everything up and put it on this table here. Oh. Yeah, my back. Should have set it up or I had a friend come over today or something to help me. Apologize for you not being able to see this on video. Oh my god, this Outworld is huge. I knew it was big, but you never know how truly impressive some things are until you see them in person. Oh my god, this foam. You know, Mac, I gotta say, USPS, I have a feeling they really beat this box up. So I'm glad you packaged it well, because a lot of these foam peanuts are just crushed into little tiny bits, and that just tells me that, well, the USPS sucks. I empathize with them. I used to be a 15-year federal employee, but I took pride in my work. Nearly always received top rating scores for my performance. I say nearly because 1 or 2 years I got bosses that, you know, I didn't get along with. But I still end up fighting and getting what a top score in the end. Now I'm going to move the camera down here angle so you can see. So what we have here is layer. What is this? Double XL Labyrinth, Outworld. Okay, that's one piece. Sorry. That. Okay. Kill you with this. Look how shredded these pieces are. That just means that this thing was jostled way too much. Because when Mac packs it, I know, because I used to, you know, work in a warehouse for when I was younger as a kid. These peanuts come whole. He's not packing it with this little bitsies. So the fact that this tore up, it really pisses me off. And Mac did put fragile live animals. They don't care. Again, I have empathy, but at the same time, you accept the job, you know, you should do it right, and I have pride in it. So here is the XL mini hearth. Basically, at the time I got this, it was during this Black Friday sale, and when I bought the double XL Labyrinth, it came with you were able to choose. You were able to get an XL mini hearth basically with it. So. You know what? Do a video on that later. How's about that? I think most people want to see the big stuff. Oh God, look at the mess this is making. This is really good. God, look at this. Yeah, I vacuumed. It just... Alright, here's the... I'm sorry, just this type of stuff. I'm OCD. Like I said, you wouldn't think it by looking at like what looks like a disaster behind me, but I hate clutter, and I hate just random mess, schmutz crap. Pisses me off. Put that down here for now. Like I said, I know everyone probably wants to see the ants and this XXL labyrinth. Here's the nest. By the way, Mac did offer to send these out separate, so if you're wondering why can't I always ship all in one package? Does it save money? No. I'm just a schmuck. Oh, come on. I'm sure Mac is watching this video, chomping at the bit, going, Brad, check to make sure the ants are alright. He's not wrong, I really should. I'm probably going to do that in a moment. So I restarted this. On this video, oh, it's almost 20 minutes. Hey, it's good time. That's a long video to make up for all the lack of videos I've been coming out with lately. Wish I could say I could go to sleep a little bit after I'm finished unpacking this, but I gotta finish the setup for the ants and start getting them moved into the new homes and such. Mac told me that some of the eggs, for the mimicus in particular, can be really, really small. So he recommended I let the ants move in on their own. So I have like a tube kit that Mac sells on his website to help move the ants into a new form of carrier from a test tube, and that's what I'll be using. The the Pogo Myrmix, the Regussus, I'll probably just chuck them in there. For them I got a mini hearth set up. Although I gotta put my flue on, it's my own fault. I procrastinated on getting it set up. But so for those you don't know, my Barbados colony is the one that's going in this one. Because if you've seen my most recent video, even though their nest has a little more, a little more room to, for colony expansion, that's only because so many of the workers are in the outworld. So no broken glass. Got the museum glass as always. I think that's highly worth it. Yeah, this would be a good home for them for a while. A year with their growth. Probably another one to attach it or something. But so here's the base. Very nice. How much? Alright. You have no idea, folks, how much this little chunks of packing peanuts that drive me nuts, like just really assaulting my nerves. One could argue, like, well, maybe Mac can use some other packing. What is he going to use? Really, what's he going to use that's good? I don't know. Look at this. Ridiculous. Which way? Okay, this is up. Let's check on the ants. God, my back is hurting me so bad right now. Excited. I want to also, while I'm doing this, thank everyone for your really cool comments. I've had a few people say that because they're watching my videos, they ordered some product from Target Ants. I'm sure Mac greatly appreciates that. For those you don't know, Mac Primishin is the owner and operator of Target Ants. The reason I'm looking inside the tube is you never know. Some of the ants could have gotten out. And, you know, last thing I want to do is, especially if it's one of the pogo mermix, I don't feel like getting stung. Which, by the way, I have yet to get stung. Knock on wood. And this would be the pogo mermix pertussis. Very pretty. We got the queen. We got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 workers and one pupa. It looks like it's in its like brown stage. It looks like that's gonna become a worker soon. We got some larvae. Got 1, 2, 4, 5 larvae. We got, looks like a couple eggs. I'll stand up and let you get a closer up. Look at this. I'm going to do another video. See that? There we go. Very cool. Let's, I'm going to get out of the camera here for a moment. I'm just going to put these over where all my stuff is, so they're not disturbed. Okay. Oh, God. All right. Next. Try not to create any further tiny. No. No escapees on that one either. Boop. Oh, my back is killing me. Alrighty, let's see. We got. They're so small. I'm used to the larger ants lately. One queen. Oh, that's so funny. That one of the workers is actually trying to be like a temporary replete. Like you can tell the abdomen or the back. I believe it's the abdomen. Abdomen, I believe is, I don't know, whatever the butt is called that they hold the nectar in. It's a little engorged versus all the other ones. I just want to see this other queen, make sure she's okay. These guys got jostled around a lot, so she's moving. I can see what Mac's talking about by the little tiny eggs. Yeah. Looks like everyone's okay. So we got 2 live queens. We got. Let's see. I'm gonna take a guess. 20, 25 workers, maybe, I don't know. Ooh. Enough, Brad, show us. I know, I'm coming. Pretty cool. Again, forgive me for going off camera for a moment. Alright, what's this video at? 27? Alright, I think that's good for now. I will do I'll probably do a couple videos for everything. The new formicarium. God, that outworld's huge. Which is awesome, but I'm limited on space. Well, starting to wonder, what the hell was I thinking? I was thinking it was awesome. That's what I was thinking. Anyway, yeah, so more videos to come shortly. I'll probably still look disrepid like this. I'm exhausted. My back is killing me. So Mac, looks like the ants got here safely. USPS sucks. I got a bunch of vacuuming to do. That's going to be fun. Yeah. Bradmus 1981. This is, again, an order from Tar Heel Ants. Owner-operator Mac Primogen. Please check out their Facebook fan page. That's kind of the best source other than the website. What is their website? Tar Heel Ants. Is it .com or .net? I don't know. I'm tired. It's one or the other. But yeah, if you go on Facebook and look up Tar Heel Ants, the club will come up. Feel free to message me on there. I'll be posting a link to this video on there as well. Yeah, double XL labyrinth with special outworld. I guess you say it's custom, even though it was pre-built, but you'll see when I do a better video of it with an XL mini hearth and back there and a custom layer. This layer, just so you know, was designed. I was going to get the Myrmecostis, whatever the honey pots is, Placatops. I had ordered that originally from Mac. That order fell through for reasons. No big deal. I will get them probably a little later this year. Yeah. So, yeah. Feel free to leave a comment, suggestions below. And take care, everyone. Thanks for being patient.